Hey guys, so this is a what I eat a day video. As I'm just being at home all day during this time, I have a lot of time in my hand to make my own meals, but I don't eat this much every single day. It will just depends on if I'm lazy or not, but today is one of those days where I was just in the mood to try out some new recipes, so here we go. So basically I will start off my day with a glass of green tea and lime. Then I prepare myself some oatmeal and top it off with just anything that I could find in my pantry, and here I have it with some granola, chia seeds, mixed nuts, bananas and some lesser sugar. Then for lunch I made this avocado spaghetti, which is actually my first time making it, and holy, it's really good and I will definitely make it again soon. So here I just mashed up an avo and just season it with salt and pepper. Then I added in some chopped walnut and mix it all together. Fry some garlic with some vegetable oil in the frying pan and then put it aside. I just mixed the ingredients together with the spaghetti and some olive oil. Lastly, to top it off with some salt, pepper and some extra chopped walnut as the garnish, and that's basically it. After that, I decided to try out Jacqueline vegan banana bread recipe, but I changed up some of the ingredients myself as to what I have at home, and it turned out to be one of the best banana bread that I've eaten, so I will link her video down in the description box below. I just changed up flaxseed to chia seed and brown sugar to coconut sugar, and that's all. After working out, I normally would just make me some protein shake. I just added some cocoa powder, chia seeds and maple syrup for the taste. And that's basically what I eat in a day. So thank you guys for watching and please stay safe and love you guys. Bye!